honesty.
Hello, my name is Theodore Case. I have this idea to put sound on film. I'm tired of seeing movies without sound.
Hi, my name is Bob. Hi, I'm Francis. I agree, Mr. Case. I love Charlie Chaplin movies, but I wish I could hear what they are saying. Mr. Case, meet my friend, Rose, Sandy, and Claire. Mr. Case wants to make a movie with sound.
She never introduced herself.
Well, we need to pick a director, a costumer, and actors. What does the costumer do?
They pick out the outfits in the movie.
Do you know what a director does? The director makes sure everything is going right.
I have all the equipment and tools we need to make a movie. My invention will make everybody able to hear us.
Let's make one of those Charlie Chaplin movies with sound.
Hey! Are you trying to hit me? Quit trying to hit me. Well, maybe you shouldn't be standing in the middle of the road. Get away from this. This is my animal that makes many different animal sounds. Why does it make different animal sounds? Because I think she's crazy.
Why do you call me crazy?
I'm so glad that Theodore Case invented sound on film.
Shut up!